Hi, my name is Abdul Qadir. I'm gonna teach you how to say hi. How are you? And some basic statements in Somali language. Maybe you are going to visit Somalia, or you may have a Somali friend, or whatsoever. Here I'm gonna teach you the basics of Somali language. Here we start. How are you? Iska waran. Iska waran. Iska waran. I'm good. I'm good. Or I'm fine. Fi'an. 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 If you can't say the word C, or if you can't pronounce the word C, you can say Fi'an. Fi'an. How are you? Iska waran. I'm good. Fi'an. Your name, please. Or what's your name? Your name, please. Or what is your name? Maga'a. Maga'a. Or you can say Maga'a. Maga'a. My name is Ali. Maga'aygu wa Ali. Maga'aygu wa Ali. Maga'aygu wa Ali. Or you can simply say Ali, Ahmed, or Abdul Qadir, whatsoever your name is. Thank you. Mahad Sanid. Mahad Sanid. Mahad Sanid. You're welcome. You're welcome. Ada mudan. Ada mudan. Ada mudan. Goodbye. Goodbye. Nabade. 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 I think it's enough. Thank you.